Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another episode of SEOUL Diaries. Today we are starting off our morning in Hongdae, but in the afternoon we are going to go to Gangnam. I've actually been here for about 3 or 4 days now, and I've been staying in this guest house in the Mapogu area. But today I am changing up my scenery and I'm going to be staying in an Airbnb in Gangnam. So it's about my checkout time right now. It's 11 a.m. and I can't check into my next place until 4 p.m. So I have about the next 5 hours just to kind of mingle around, and I've been thinking about what I want to do. And I think the first thing I want to do this morning is go check out Jentle Home because it just recently opened and I got a couple of requests from you guys to go there. So I'm really excited to see it. It was pretty much made by Jentle Monster, which is a really popular sunglasses brand that they have here. Pretty much like a mini dollhouse inspired by all of Blackpink Jennie's favorite childhood memories. After that, I am considering going to a PC Bong because I also might want to film a video there. And if I'm not into that idea when the time comes, maybe I'll just go to a cafe and I'll do some editing until I can check into my Airbnb. I had a really busy day yesterday, so I made sure to kind of keep today as like a chill, do whatever I want day. So I'm really excited to bring you guys along with me. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on your notifications so you never miss an upload from me. And by the way, if there's ever somewhere that you want me to visit, whether it's in Seoul, Busan, or anywhere in Korea, just holler at me. Just tell me in the comments and I will put it on my bucket list. But anyways, it is time for me to check out of here. So I'm going to bring my suitcase, which is right over there, to the subway station. And what's cool is in almost all the subway stations here, there are just like lockers that you can use for the day to keep your stuff in. So I'm gonna drop off my goods and then we will head out to the Jentle Home. Please select a locker to use. Okay, so I just dropped off my bags and I was looking for the address of Jentle Home, and I'm dumb and apparently it's in Gangnam. I don't know why I assumed it was in Hongdae, but it's all good. I'm going to Gangnam later, so I'm definitely still gonna go there. And then when I get hungry, I think I'm gonna go to a PC Bong and eat there and play some video games. So I stumbled upon this cafe called Brew Ratio. It's like a coffee and dessert place. First of all, it's really cute inside. Feels so cool and nice in here because it's really hot today. But when I ordered my iced Americano, she asked me what kind of beans I wanted, and she like pointed to a sign, and I chose Hula coffee beans. I love when you get to choose your beans. I don't know for sure, but I feel like Hula beans are maybe Hawaiian. Kind of sounds like it. And this definitely does taste like some kind of coffee I once had in Hawaii. So 10 out of 10 for this place. Goodness, this place is cute. Let me turn the light on. Wow. Okay, so I just made it to my Airbnb. This is smack dab in the middle of Gangnam. It's right at exit 5. Obviously, you guys know I booked this for the aesthetic. And then big old kitchen table for literally myself. Couch. This place is actually bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Like the ceilings are a lot higher. And then is there a way for me to open these curtains? Ta-da! So it looks like they just washed the windows of this building because the windows are like wet right now, but I'll show you guys the view as best as I can. Oh my gosh, this view is crazy nice. I didn't realize it was gonna be such a high floor. We're on like almost the top floor. I think the 22nd floor, and there is the loft up there. But I'm actually gonna do like a full tour of this apartment on my channel. Oh, let me lay down. I feel like I've been going at it all day. This feels amazing. Guys, it's currently rush hour. Look at all of the people just lining up to go in the subway right now. Oh my gosh. Oh, look, there's a Daiso over there. Okay, so I just ended up editing for like 2 hours. I also filmed a video, so I feel like I've gotten so much stuff done today. For the rest of my evening, it's already about 6 o'clock now. I just realized I need to run to the pharmacy to get my VC. And then this evening, I am going out with my friend, and I think I am going to leave my vlogging camera at home just because I am vlogging all day tomorrow, so I feel like that will be plenty of footage for this video. But yeah, that is what I have going on today. I turned the AC on in here, and it just started blowing on me, and it feels so good. I'm like, yes, give it to me, because I didn't even realize that there was like an AC machine in here, and I was just sitting by the fan melting. Where's the fan? There's the fan. I realized that while I'm out, I needed to run to Olive Young to get new glitter liner because I lost mine. So I typed in Olive Young. Guys, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Olive Youngs within a 6-minute walking distance. What the heck? Oh goodness, Korea is so convenient. I love it. Oh my gosh, the closest one is literally right there. Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. Actually, it's not the morning anymore. It is definitely the afternoon. It's about 12:30, and I am about to head out to Garosugil. I am meeting my friend Joanna. She actually makes YouTube videos here on YouTube, obviously. She has a makeup channel, and she also has, I think her main channel is the couple channel she has with her boyfriend. So yeah, you guys will probably recognize her when you see her. We are just going to wander around the Shinsa area, and that is where the Jentle Home is, and then there's also just like a ton of cafes and shopping and all kinds of stuff. So here is my outfit. I'm wearing a new little mini skirt I got. I'm also just wearing this purse and then purple shirts, and then I'm gonna wear my pink Nike shoes. Shinsa is actually in Gangnam, but Gangnam is pretty big, so I'm gonna be taking the subway there. It is hot. I don't want to be sweating by the time I get there, so I'm going to head over right now to the subway station. Cake. I don't think the camera's even picking up how hot I look right now. Not like attractive hot, like sweaty hot. It feels like it's 1,000 degrees outside. And I went to Daiso and I bought a fan, but you need a screwdriver to put the batteries in, so I failed on that. But anyways, I am at this place called Coffee, and I'm with Joanna. Say hi. Hello. And we got iced vanilla latte and milk tea. Gosh, I cannot wait to try this. Oh yeah, I think it's, yeah. That's milk tea, right? Yeah. This is a really sweet latte. Alright, so we just made it to the Jentle Home. It's so cute. We're gonna go inside. Look at the little basketball court. Yeah, so it was like inspired from her childhood. Oh, really? 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 입장 도와드리겠습니다. 잠시만 기다려주세요. 36.5분. 페이스키트 증정 도와드릴게요.
젠틀 홈이라고 해요. 인형의 집 같은 특별한 느낌 받으실 수 있으시고요. 자세한 설명 나와 있는 프레스 키트 증명드리고 스티커가 들어있는데 쏟아지지 않게 위쪽 방향으로 잘 들어주시면 좋을 것 같아요.
감사합니다.
네. 네, 안쪽에서도 마스크 착용 부탁드릴게요.
혹시 한국어 알아들으실까요? 네. 제품의 오브제가 도자기 소재라 깨지기가 쉬워요. 그래서 눈으로 감상 부탁드리고 실내에서 촬영할 때도 마스크 착용 부탁드릴게요. 즐거운 시간 보내세요. Cute. It's cute, right? So cute. I like the food. Oh, the Jack Daniel bottle. Oh.
This is our test room. And you can try our.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Cute.
I usually wear like oh, love those. I honestly prefer Ray-Ban. Just Ray-Ban has more. My head is so small, so every time I put sunglasses on, it's like eats my whole head. Every time I breathe, big Thank you.
Thank you.
Wow.
Oh. I'm so confused. I mean, like, this is all so cute, but it's just so random, but it's beautiful.
It looks like a Barbie house.
Do you guys see this? Look at the details. Candy market. Yeah, so many old American houses have this carpet.
Yeah. So soft. Is that
I know.
what we buy at home? Oh, it's so cute.
It says, "Call me Jenny." Candy. Oh, look, yeah, it's like a lollipop. Wow. 감사합니다. 감사합니다. That was so cute. Okay, so now we're in the actual Gentle Monster store. And there is a Christmas tree. Or just a pine tree. It smells really good. Can you smell it now? Yeah. Okay, so we just got to Huxley. It smells so good in here.
저희 신제품 아이크림이 출시되었어요. 여기 아이크림 들어가 있거든요.
네.
사용해보세요.
감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요.
안녕히 가세요.
Ooh, it's nice. So cheap.
Their skincare is really good.
Oh wait, yeah, they do.
Is that the eyebrow pencil?
Oh, you're right. This is a pineapple and smoked cheese dish. We're waiting right now for the grill to heat. We have pineapple, cheese, and smoked cheese.